Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect up your GameSir X5s controller to an iOS device, an Apple device. And we have two ways of doing it. One way, this is going to mimic a Pro controller from a Nintendo Switch. Another way, it's going to mimic a DualShock controller from a PlayStation 4. So it's up to you. Depending on what you're doing on here, you may want to mimic a Pro controller or you may want to mimic a PlayStation controller for the PS4. So what we have to do is we have to let this know what we're connecting, whether it's Switch or PlayStation 4 controller. And to do that, we need to select the color. So red will be Switch and DualShock 4, the PlayStation 1, will be a dark blue color. I'll show you both in this video. So first of all, we're just going to turn this on by holding it down for a couple of seconds. We're actually already in the red mode, but if you're not, well, I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's put it in the blue mode to begin with. So we're going to be connecting this up as a DualShock 4 controller for PlayStation. So press and hold this and this button together for a couple of seconds until it goes to dark blue. There we go, so we're in dark blue now. And now we need to put it into pairing mode by hitting this button here for about 2 seconds, and that light will start flashing fast and then let go. This is now in pairing mode because it's flashing fast. We need to come over to here and we need to go into settings. And right now Bluetooth is on. It's looking for devices here. If Bluetooth is off, just turn it on. You can see it says DualShock 4 wireless controller. So if I tap that there, it is now connected and this here has gone to white. This will now control your iOS device. So let me just get off this a second. And if you have a look here, you can see that when I hit these buttons here, you can see it's moving up here. Now, let's say if we want to connect it up as a Pro controller, we need to put this into Nintendo Switch mode, which is red. So we're going to hold down this button and the top button for a couple of seconds until it goes to red. We're now on red, and now we need to put it into pairing mode again. So hit this button down here until it starts flashing fast. There we go. That is now in pairing mode. Let's come back to here. And we're going to go into settings, and can you now see it says Pro controller down here? So just tap that there and it will say connected. Up the top here it's connected and it's gone to white here. And again, if we go to here, you can now see that this is working on here as a Pro controller. To turn this off, you just need to hold it down for a good 5 seconds. Keep holding it until the light goes out. Keep holding it. There we go. So that's now off. You can use this as normal. To connect this up again, it should pair up to the last device. So the last device was Pro controller. So if we hold this on by pressing it down for a couple of seconds, you can see it will go to red because it's Pro controller. Give it a few more seconds, it will go to white. There you go, and we should now be connected here. So if I go here and here, you can see we're now connected again as a Pro controller. So that is it. 2 different ways to connect this device to iOS. Pro controller and DualShock 4 controller, depending on what you want. Thanks for watching.